This is the FitPaws disc, and as you can see, it's got a smooth side as well as a nubby side, and we can use this for a lot of different exercises for primarily our small dogs. And we'll show using one, and we'll also show using a couple of them together. The first thing that we're going to do is lay it on the ground, and we're going to invite the dog over and get the dog used to the disc. Fergie. So as the dog approaches, we want to make sure to give her a lot of treats and a lot of encouragement. You can lay the treats onto the disc so she associates this with good things. And then we'll invite her to put her front legs up, and we can use her FitPaws harness to help with this. And just as she's standing with her front legs on, I can have her shift back and forth. And as she does this, you can see that it starts to work her hind end and also her lower back and her abdominals. So she's working on this, and I'll have her lift her head up, also lift her head down. And as she goes through these different positions, it changes the work that her body does. I can also have her look from side to side. And as she does this, we work the different muscles. And as you can see, she's getting a lot of treats here. It's a good thing to either feed them their dinner while they're doing this exercise or feed them after they do the activity so they're hungry and treat motivated. So as I shift her back and forth, and she's offering behaviors, which is wonderful, she's feeling comfortable on this, I can also have her work her front legs. I'm going to have her just spin around here and ask her to step up and then step off and put her back legs on and look up and look down. So she's working those rear legs. She's also stabilizing her front legs. And I can have her, while her rear legs are up there, just move around the disc to get some hind end awareness. Good girl. And I can also, to build up body awareness, have her step on top of it and just walk over. And it looks a lot easier than it actually is. Come on. Good girl. Good, and we can make it a little bit more difficult by adding a second disc. And we can do a few things with this. We can set up a little bit of a course and ask her to walk through both of them. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. And I could freeze her, so we're balancing the front two and the back two. Good job. And I'm going to take advantage of this for as long as I can while we have the two back legs and the two front legs on. Good job. I can shift her weight. Good. Come on up. We'll have her walk through again. We'll see if we can't get her to freeze again. Good girl. And having a very good treat will be very beneficial here. Come on. Good girl. There we go. So we can use two of them to challenge her a little bit further. And since they are smaller, it's hard for her to get all four on one of these. So rather than scrunch up her back or put her in a compromised position, it would be better to use two of them. And what you can do is take the two discs and put them together to challenge her. It's difficult for her to get all fours on one of the smaller discs, so that's why we would introduce the second disc, or we can get a giant disc and incorporate that. She can stand on the giant disc and do activities with the giant disc and the regular disc. Thank you for buying FitPaws canine conditioning equipment. If you have any questions, please go to www.fitball.com.